This video was produced by Digital BD. It is a paid promotional advertisement for Innovation Beverage Group Limited, NASDAQ IBG. It is for informational purposes only and is not independent research or investment advice.
Innovation Beverage Group is a NASDAQ-listed, Sydney-based company that built its reputation by disrupting the alcohol market. They manage a diverse portfolio of 60 formulations, with their most recognizable brand being Australian Bitters. But on March 25th, the company announced a pivot that seemingly came out of nowhere. The merger is designed to capture and monetize this lost energy, turning a wasted byproduct of the drilling process into a productive resource. BlockFuel Energy's model begins with the acquisition of proven, historically productive onshore oil fields in the U.S. Midwest, specifically in the oil-rich basins of Oklahoma. To avoid the high costs of transporting gas through pipelines, the company employs a concept they call digital energy. They deploy modular power generation units directly at the wellhead to capture the gas flow before it can be flared or wasted. This electricity is immediately used to power co-located, high-performance data centers and Bitcoin mining rigs. This creates a closed energy loop where the fuel is consumed exactly where it is extracted. This setup generates electricity at costs that are meaningfully below traditional grid pricing. By operating on-site, BlockFuel also avoids the third-party processing and transportation fees that typically eat into energy profits, and the result is a dual revenue machine. Every hydrocarbon molecule extracted from the ground is monetized, either as liquid oil sold to traditional markets or as digital computing power sold directly to the blockchain. While the hardware was proven, scaling this operation across thousands of acres required significant capital and the visibility that only a public stock exchange can provide. IBG provided that capital through a series of financial moves in March. They closed a $6 million public offering and issued a $2.5 million loan to BlockFuel to consolidate their shares, effectively using the beverage company's NASDAQ listing as a launchpad for the energy business. This isn't just a plan on paper. By early April, BlockFuel reported that 15 wells were already back in active production, reaching peaks of 100 barrels of oil equivalent per day. The roadmap for growth is based on a repeatable, low-risk development strategy, drilling vertical wells on 40-acre spacing at an estimated cost of $700,000 per well. These established production numbers and clear drilling costs demonstrate a functioning enterprise that is ready for rapid expansion. Following the merger, the combined public entity will move away from its beverage-focused identity at the parent level and officially rename itself BlockFuel Energy. The original beverage business will continue to operate, but it will do so as a distinct Australian-based subsidiary led by current CEO Sahil Berry. This restructure gives BlockFuel Energy equity holders ownership of approximately 90% of the combined company. This new corporate umbrella structure places the energy operations at the top, with the beverage brands operating as a separate unit underneath. For BlockFuel CEO Daniel Lansky, the merger provides the capitalized, publicly listed vehicle he needs to execute a much larger vision for on-site energy monetization. The new entity is already moving to expand, recently executing a letter of intent to acquire an additional 4,000 acres of producing oil fields. This transaction serves as a case study in corporate reinvention, utilizing a listed beverage brand as the financial foundation to build a vertically integrated energy and digital infrastructure platform.
Important compensation disclosure. This video was produced by Digital BD. Digital BD has been compensated $20,000 by Innovation Beverage Group Limited for a 6-month investor awareness campaign. This video is for informational purposes only and is not investment advice. The publishers and their affiliates may hold, buy, or sell securities in IBG at any time. Investing is inherently risky. Please read all SEC filings at www.sec.gov before making any investment decisions.